Welcome viewers. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use articles in a paragraph. As we know, there are three types of articles. First two, indefinite articles, an. A is used with the consonant sound, an is used with vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. Now, this is called definite article, and we use definite article with specified things. Now here you see a paragraph. Once upon a time there was. Now we have to use here the article. Which article should we use? So let me tell you the rule. The rule is whenever we talk about any person, any noun for the first time, we use an. But the second time, if the same noun is repeated, so it becomes definite, specified, and we use the. So once upon a time there was a girl. Why? Because we are talking about this girl for the very first time. So a girl. So always remember, in a paragraph or whenever we talk about unspecified noun, we use an. Her name was Kelly. Now the same girl, this girl again is repeated here. So now we know this girl. We know this is Kelly. So the girl was very pretty. She had. Now first time dog is used here. She had a dog. Now we know which dog we are talking about. So next time we will use the dog. The dog was very friendly. There was a garden. First time a garden. Near her house. The garden was very beautiful. Why? As we know, this time we are talking about the same garden, which we know. So definite article. The garden was very beautiful. There was an apple tree in the garden. An apple tree. Why? Because vowel sound. An apple tree in the garden, the same garden. Now again apple tree is repeated here. So the apple tree was very tall. There was an ancient building near the garden. The same garden. Again it is repeated here. So there was an ancient building. First time we are using this ancient building here. So an. Why? Because the sound is vowel. Now the building was very popular for its beautiful architecture. Now as we know, it has become specified, this building. So we will use the. The building was very popular for its beautiful architecture. Now let's check the answers. Once upon a time there was a girl. First time this girl, so a girl. Her name was Kelly. The girl was very pretty. Now next time the same girl we are talking about. So the girl was very pretty. She had a dog. First time a dog. Next time same dog. The dog was very friendly. There was a garden. First time we are using garden. So a garden near her house. Now same garden. The garden was very beautiful. There was an apple tree in the garden. Same garden, the garden, but here an apple tree. First time this apple tree, but an vowel, so an apple tree. The apple tree was very tall. Now same apple tree is repeated. Now we know which apple tree we are talking about. So here definite article the. There was an ancient building near the garden. An ancient building. Why? Because the sound is vowel. So an ancient building near the garden. Again the garden is repeated here. So the. The building was very popular for its beautiful architectural design. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.